you've been following the channel, you'll know that the diesel heater has given up. So I thought, maybe I've got a few minutes today, could have a look at it. I suspect it's just got all carboned up. It needs a bit of a clean out. So we'll get on with that now. So please excuse the amount of rubble behind me. We're having some building work done. That looks pretty crappy. Couple of screws holding the tank on. Try and do is keep the tank upright. Smell nice after this. There we go, one diesel tank removed. Take off the exhaust. And remove the wiring clip. And the fuel supply. And 4 10mm bolts. Hold the heater to the back plate. And that's the heater out. And we unscrew the end. The casing should then lift off. There we have one diesel heater. One screw to remove the circuit board. Couple of clips. Pull that out of the way. Presume that that is some sort of temperature sensor. That's the glow plug. I'll leave the rest of those attached. 4 Allen bolts. securing the chamber. Try it up with a hammer. There we go. That doesn't look bad at all. The service kit provides you with a glow plug, spanner, a little puller to pull out the wire gauze, which is usually the cause of the problem, set of gaskets, and I presume that's for inserting the little gauze. The glow plug sits in that little hole there. And we just turn that with a screwdriver. Screwdriver in there. And that is a very clean chamber. But we'll have a look. Perhaps it doesn't like the heating oil that was put in. Well, there's a bit of trouble getting that last bolt out, but it's out now. This is where we see that's probably the cleanest bird chamber I've ever seen. So it must be the fuel, or possibly the globe. Anyway, we'll remove the gasket because we've got some new ones. The new mesh goes into the glow plug hole. Push it in. Sits nicely in there.
What? Your shed open, your thing open.
New gasket fitted, and just drop the burn chamber back in. The burner. So way around it. That way. Better. That's the burn chamber reinstalled. Time for a new glow plug. You can probably see a chicken in the background feeding itself. Glow plug in the hole. Spanner a minute ago. I'll do with that. So, there we are, not too tight. So you strip the threads. Refit the fan. Reconnect the wiring. show you where the wires go, because last time I stripped it down, I forgot where they all went, and it took me hours to figure it out. And I couldn't find it anywhere on the internet showing me, so there we go. Oh, just remount the board. The global jacket on. That just slips on there. Big screw. So that's the heating unit all back together. Have a look at the clear up, and then I'll check the pump open, see how that is. So the majority of the fuel is drained from the fuel pump, so if it was the fuel causing the problem, it shouldn't be too hard to start now. Refitting the tank and put some diesel in it, connecting up the controller and the battery. I'll see if it fires up now. Give it a few minutes. Signs of smoke from out of the exhaust, so it's trying to fire. It's revving up now. There's a little bit of warmth there. Hey, it's Saturday night yet again. It's time to head back to Skegness. It's daylight while we're leaving. That makes a nice change. First, I've got to find some diesel. So today is the 14th of March. It is officially the start of the summer season down in Skegness and the rest of the East Coast. Some of the caravan sites opened last week, but I think now they are all officially open. So we had a visit to Tarvans in Mablethorpe last night, and tonight I'm heading to Pine Trees in Skegness. So don't know how busy it's going to be. It has been a nice day, so perhaps people have made the journey. So we'll have a look later. Apparently they've done some refurbishment there as well, so interesting to see how that's done. Thank you, Asda. We will. We now have some diesel. Very expensive, 161.9. I think last week I paid 134. Thank you, Mr. Trump. Looking a bit livelier tonight. Another couple of weeks to get Easter here. This place will be absolutely packed. Fish and chips. There's an idea. The site we're on tonight, Pine Trees, is actually out of town, so we're heading out a bit more inland and get to Pine Trees. There we go, Pine Trees. I did come here last year once, I think. It looks like they've done a bit of work, made it look a bit nicer. They've got tarmac instead of the potholed road.
is it? I can't hear it.
78, 78, 33, all the threes, 33, 32, 32.
That's Pine Tree's gig done. No footage tonight, there's not really anywhere to put a camera, to be honest, so and nobody to film it for me, so you don't have to watch that lot tonight. So now I'm heading up to my park up at Tag's Caravan Park, Tully 7, and it's we get time to have a drink. See you in a bit. The roar of the diesel heater. It's actually down to 0 degrees again tonight, so we need a little bit of warmth in the van. Yeah, we've called in at Tully's on the way back, and he's given us a place to park for the night as usual. Thank you, sir, as always. We've got all the gear on the charge, ready for tomorrow's gig because we're back in Belper tomorrow afternoon. So we're going to get plenty of the morning to get back there. So we'll think what's available in the diet food, I think. So, catch you in a bit, we'll get the van sorted out, and I'll see you in a little while. It's been 3 weeks now of the diet. Seems to be going well. I've lost nearly a stone already, so tonight we have corned beef, celery yet again, soured cream with chives, and the ultimate diet, Sandical.
Hey, Boy Scout. Hey, man. What is it? Oh, man. She's dead.
No. Fucking sorry, this must be bringing back all kinds of crazy memories. Your mom.
I guess. Sure.
Well, it may be freezing outside, but it's proper toasty warm.
The request is being processed. Well, until that process yields counsel, I'm afraid all I could do is sit here enjoying the